Drafts and air leaks are common frustrations for homeowners, especially in houses with aging or poorly sealed windows. Even small gaps around window frames can allow outside air to enter, making rooms uncomfortable and harder to keep at a consistent temperature. For Pasadena homeowners looking to improve indoor comfort and reduce unwanted airflow, Casement Windows offer an effective and reliable solution. Their unique design helps minimize drafts while creating a tighter seal than many traditional window styles. Why drafts and air leaks are a problem. Drafts don't just make rooms feel uncomfortable, they can also cause uneven temperatures and make heating and cooling systems work harder. In Pasadena houses, older windows often develop gaps due to settling, worn seals, or outdated designs. Air leaks around windows allow warm or cool air to escape, reducing indoor comfort and affecting daily living. How casement windows are designed to seal tightly. Casement windows are hinged on the side and close by pressing the sash firmly against the frame. When locked, the window pulls inward, creating a compression seal. This sealing method is more effective than sliding or single-hung designs that rely on overlapping tracks. For Pasadena homeowners, this tight closure significantly reduces air infiltration, eliminating common draft points. Drafts often occur at the meeting rails or along the sides of older windows. Casement windows eliminate many of these weak points. With a single sash and continuous seal, casement windows reduce the number of areas where air can leak. In Pasadena houses, this design leads to noticeably fewer drafts. Improved frame and hardware design. Modern casement windows are built with advanced framing materials and durable hardware. These components help maintain consistent pressure along the window seal. For Pasadena homes, this ensures the window remains airtight even after years of regular use. Better performance in changing weather. Temperature fluctuations can cause window materials to expand and contract. Casement windows are designed to maintain a secure seal through these changes. In Pasadena houses, this helps prevent seasonal drafts that often occur when weather conditions shift. Supporting consistent indoor comfort. Reducing drafts leads to more stable indoor temperatures. Rooms feel more comfortable, without cold spots near windows or sudden temperature changes. For Pasadena homeowners, this consistent comfort improves everyday living and makes living spaces more enjoyable. Reducing outside air and noise intrusion. Air leaks often allow outside noise to enter the home as well. Casement windows help block both air and sound infiltration. In Pasadena neighborhoods, this creates a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. Professional installation makes a difference. Even the best casement windows require proper installation to perform effectively. Professional installers ensure the window is aligned correctly and sealed properly. For Pasadena homeowners, expert installation ensures casement windows deliver maximum draft reduction and long-term performance. Long-term reliability and peace of mind. Windows that seal tightly experience less stress and wear over time. This contributes to longer-lasting performance. For Pasadena houses, casement windows provide reliable protection against drafts and air leaks year after year. A smart upgrade for Pasadena homes. Casement windows are an excellent solution for reducing drafts and air leaks. Their compression seal, durable design, and reliable performance make them ideal for Pasadena houses seeking improved comfort. With professional installation, casement windows offer a lasting upgrade that enhances indoor comfort and peace of mind.